Uganda is a true birder's paradise, blessed with over 1,100 bird species, from the rare and elusive shoebill to the vibrant great blue turaco, and countless forest, savanna and wetland specialists. The African dusky flycatcher, a charming little bird of Uganda, is commonly seen flitting through forests, gardens and wooded highlands. During the rainy season, it raises 2 to 3 chicks in neat nests tucked into tree holes or sheltered spots. With its soft, dusky brown-grey plumage and pale underparts, it blends perfectly into its surroundings, yet quickly catches the eye as it darts gracefully after tiny flying insects, showcasing the sharp vision and agile flight that make it a delight for birdwatchers. The African finfoot. The African finfoot is one of Uganda's most sought-after birding treasures, often found along quiet rivers, lake shores and wetlands fringed with thick vegetation. Secretive by nature, it builds hidden nests near water, raising a small brood in safety. Its diet is rich in aquatic life, snails, insects and small fish, picked skillfully from the water's edge. With its striking chestnut body, bold throat markings and bright red feet adapted for swimming, the African finfoot is both elusive and spectacular, a true prize for birdwatchers lucky enough to spot it. African fish eagle. The African fish eagle, often called the voice of Africa, is easily spotted around Uganda's lakes and rivers. With its bold white head, chestnut body and piercing call, it soars majestically before swooping down to snatch fish from the water. Grey-crowned crane, Uganda's national bird. The grey-crowned crane, proudly featured on Uganda's coat of arms, is a national treasure. With its golden crown of feathers, bright red wattle, and stately courtship dances, it embodies grace and beauty in the wetlands and grasslands. Black bishop. This small but striking bird transforms in breeding season, when males display a brilliant red and black plumage. Found in Uganda's grasslands and scrub, the black bishop is a fiery flash of colour. Black tit. The black tit is a lively forest and woodland bird, often seen in small flocks. With its glossy black plumage and energetic foraging, it adds movement and melody to Uganda's birding scenes. Black and white casqued hornbill. Impressive and unmistakable, the black and white casqued hornbill is one of Uganda's giant forest hornbills. Its loud calls echo across the canopy as it glides with powerful wings, its large casque making it a true forest icon. Black-headed gonolek. The black-headed gonolek is a bird of contrasts, with a jet black head and brilliant scarlet underparts. Common in thickets and savanna edges, it is often heard before seen, thanks to its loud duet calls.
Bronze sunbird. Shimmering in metallic green and bronze, the bronze sunbird is a dazzling sight as it hovers over flowers, sipping nectar. Its long, curved bill and iridescent feathers make it one of Uganda's jewels. Giant kingfisher. The giant kingfisher, the largest of Africa's kingfishers, is often found along Uganda's rivers and lakes. With its powerful bill and bold spotted plumage, it dives dramatically for fish, thrilling birders with its size and strength. Yellow-backed weaver. The yellow-backed weaver brightens Uganda's wetlands and bushlands with its vivid yellow plumage. Their woven nests dangle in colonies, where males compete to attract females with their craftsmanship.
African spoonbill. Elegant and unique, the African spoonbill is recognised by its long, flat bill, used to sweep through shallow waters in search of fish, insects and crustaceans. Its striking white plumage and graceful feeding dance make it a favourite sight in wetlands.
Secretary bird tall and elegant. The secretary bird is a savanna specialist, known for its long legs and eagle-like body. Uniquely, it hunts snakes and insects on foot, striding across the grasslands with power and poise. Great white egret. Graceful and pure white, the great white egret is a familiar sight in Uganda's wetlands, stalking fish and frogs with deliberate steps before striking swiftly with its long bill. It can be seen in places like Mbamba Bay, Lake Victoria shores, and Queen Elizabeth National Park wetlands. White-faced whistling duck. The white-faced whistling duck is both elegant and musical, with its high-pitched whistle echoing across lakes and swamps. Its striking white face and chestnut body make it easy to spot in flocks. Yellow-billed duck. The yellow-billed duck is a familiar sight on Uganda's lakes and rivers. Its dark mottled body contrasts with a striking yellow bill, and it can often be seen paddling quietly or dabbling in shallow waters. The ostrich. The ostrich, the world's largest bird, is a rare but fascinating sight in Uganda. Their population is mainly concentrated in Kidipo Valley National Park, found in the remote northeast of the country. What's amazing about ostriches is their incredible speed. They can run up to 70 kilometers per hour, and their powerful long legs, making them true sprinters of the savannah. In Uganda, spotting them gracefully striding across the open plains of Kidipo is a breathtaking experience that adds to the park's wild charm.
The shoebill. The shoebill is Uganda's ultimate birding icon, towering over wetlands with its massive shoe-shaped bill and prehistoric look. Found in swamps like Mbamba Bay and Murchison's Nile Delta, it patiently stalks lungfish and catfish. Its slow, deliberate movements and dramatic bill clapping make every sighting feel like a once-in-a-lifetime encounter.
Flamingos. Uganda is home to both lesser and greater flamingos, celebrated for their striking pink plumage and graceful movements. They are most commonly seen in the alkaline crater lakes of Queen Elizabeth National Park, including Lake Munyanyange, Lake Katwe, Lake Bunyampaka, Lake Nyamunuka, Lake Nshenyi. The best time for tourists to spot them is during the dry season, June to September and December to February, when water levels are lower and large flocks congregate along the lake shores, creating spectacular pink displays. Wire-tailed swallow. The wire-tailed swallow is a swift, agile flyer, recognized by its long trailing tail feathers. Often seen skimming gracefully over rivers, it is a joy to watch in motion. Wattled lapwing. The wattled lapwing, with its striking yellow wattles and bold calls, is often found near wetlands and riverbanks. Its alert nature makes it one of the savanna's loud guardians. Great white pelican. The great white pelican is a majestic water bird, often seen in flocks soaring over Uganda's lakes. With its enormous bill and cooperative fishing behaviour, it is both spectacular and social.
Great blue turako. The great blue turako is one of Uganda's most colourful forest residents. With its vibrant blue-green and yellow plumage and striking red-tipped bill, it is a delight to watch as it glides gracefully between tall trees. Feeding on fruits and berries, this gentle giant of the turako family is often spotted in groups, bringing bursts of colour to Uganda's rainforests.
Thank you for watching. We appreciate your interest and support. For bookings, inquiries or more information, please reach out to us. Email info@jtsafaris.ug.com. Phone +2 562 00 901736 or on our website at jtsafarisug.com. We look forward to helping you explore the wonders of Uganda.